Dozen X Martingale Alpha Variant, 1. This is a method that involves a betting layout at the roulette table chart and adjusting your wager. 2. Dozen columns are: first column, numbers 1 to 12, second column, numbers 13 to 24, third column, numbers 25 to 36, first row, top 12 numbers, second row, middle 12 numbers, third row, bottom 12 numbers. 3. By betting a column, the winning percentage is 12/37, 32%, and return is 2 times of wager 24 to 12, 200%. Under same wager amount, if you win one turn, you can cover 2 turns of losses. For example, if you bet 25 on the first column and win, you will obtain 50, i.e. 2 times of your wager. 4. This is a lower winning percentage and higher return bet. 5. There are 7 levels of wager. First level is the base wager, second level is 2 times the base wager, third level is 4 times the base wager, fourth level is 8 times the base wager, fifth level is 16 times the base wager, sixth level is 32 times the base wager, seventh level is 64 times the base wager. For illustration, if your first level is 25, i.e. base wager, then your second level will be 50, i.e. 2 times the base wager, third level will be 100, i.e. 4 times the base wager, fourth level will be 200, i.e. 8 times the base wager, fifth level will be 400, i.e. 16 times the base wager, sixth level will be 800, i.e. 32 times the base wager, seventh level will be 1600, i.e. 64 times the base wager. 6. If you lose one turn, just continue with the current level of wager you are at. Only after you lose 2 consecutive turns, you then proceed to use the next level wager amount for the next bet. For example, if you bet 25, i.e. first level, and lose 2 consecutive turns, then your wager will be 50, i.e. second level. For the next bet, if you bet 50 and lose 2 consecutive turns, then your wager will be 100, i.e. third level. For the next bet, if you bet 100 and lose 2 consecutive turns, then your wager will be 200, i.e. fourth level. For the next bet, so on and so forth. When you win, you will recover your previous losses and may gain 1/4 the amount of your first wager. After winning, please return to first level wager if you wish to continue betting. 7. You can only use 7 levels of wager. Please stop if you lose 2 consecutive turns on the 7th level. 8. Know the maximum bet limit before using this method and make sure it is possible to execute the 7th level wager. 9. You do not have to make the same bet every time. To put in perspective, you do not have to keep betting the first column until you get a hit. 10. You do not have to bet immediately after the earlier bet. You can stop for a few turns before placing your next wager.
Start demo. Thanks for watching.